Hello my friends, and welcome back to another lockpicking video. Today we are doing another giveaway entry for Norlin this time. He recently just hit another milestone, and to enter into his giveaway he wants us to pick a lock, and I thought, I've been picking a lot of challenge locks and belt ranking locks, but I have a couple of locks in my collection that I haven't touched since I've got them. So I figured today we'd be a little bit different and we would pick these handcuffs. These are, go focus. There we go. I don't know if you can see that or not. Peerless model 300. Oh, there we go. Peerless handcuffs, model 300, Springfield, Massachusetts. And I think it's right here, yeah. So here's the serial number right there for this particular one. You can see they have a little, there we go, safety pin there that prevents the cuffs from ratcheting any further. So here's the key that came with it. So if I can push that plug in there, now you see that it's depressed in there. These won't retract. If I turn, let's see, if I turn, okay, if I turn clockwise or counterclockwise, it'll undo the pin. Clockwise will release the mechanism. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and cuff ourselves and get this party started. Okay, so we are handcuffs, and I got this little binder clip. I'm going to attempt to get out of these. I've only done this once, and it was fairly difficult to do. There's not a lot of room to work with. Obviously, they don't want you to get out of them. All right, I think that might have, just checking. Looks like, yes, I did undo the safety lug on this one. And if I can ratchet. Once you get one of them off, the other one's easy to get off. There we go. Okay. All right, so now let's get this one off. All right, so this one, we got to get the lug off. And then, did we get the lug off? I don't think we got the lug off yet. Okay. Well, normally it's easier. Oh, or you can just break it. That works too. So now we should have free access to this and to come on. This is becoming a, there we go. Okay. Where'd that part go? So what happened was I levered that retaining bolt right out of its hole, so I'll have to hammer that back in at a later date. But through trial and effort, we were able to get these off. And that is my video entry for Norlin's giveaway. If you guys like this content, like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.